How to fix compile error in hidden module in Excel. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open File Explorer on your device. In File Explorer, click on Local Disk. After you click on Local Disk in here, click on Users. After you've clicked on Users, select the one you have downloaded in. Then click on OneDrive in here. After you've clicked on OneDrive, click on App Data. In App Data, you'll find Roaming. Click on Roaming. After you're in Roaming, click on Microsoft. After you're in Microsoft, click on Excel. Inside Excel, you'll find this file. Simply click on the file and click on Control X. After you've done that, in your home screen, paste it by clicking on Ctrl B. After it's pasted, open the Excel file again and drag the file you just pasted earlier and move it to the folder. After you do that, your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix compile error in hidden module in Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.